Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And it's been a little while since I've done a video on a camper, so I thought I'd just throw one out there. This is on an older Lance, and even though it's older, it still needs a lot of maintenance. And so, back in the day, we used to work on these all the time, and as you can see, look at all the additional bolts that somebody's drilled into the wood back here trying to save it. You can see where they've added some extra metal. All the sealants are all bled up, so this thing definitely needs a body reseal. You can see same thing here. You see the bolts, the pattern compared to back there, everything that's bled out, everything that's separated. This unit is in here for some maintenance, and obviously it looks like it needs a water heater service because something's not burning correct. Zach was just looking at his furnace, and so the furnace inside the unit, he said that the motor's bad and it also needs a service, and he's going to recheck it. He was actually pulling it apart right there. Had to do the deep reach because there's an issue with the refrigerator, so he's checking that out. I do want to comment on, these old school ladders. This was made by Topline back in the day, and I keep seeing these stronger ladders now. They're starting to come out on like the ORVs, outdoors RV. And so back in the old days, when they made a bigger, beefier ladder compared to all the cheap stuff we use now, much better ladder. So if you have a not a very strong ladder, I would double check it. I mean, there was some issues with these plastic pieces, but as far as the bulkness of it and strength of it, same thing again. I would recommend a body reseal. Here's where he's been out here checking out the refrigerator, checking the voltage on it, seeing what's going on. So, stay tuned for more. Hopefully these videos help you. If anything, let them serve you as a reminder for doing your maintenance. If you haven't already checked out any of our Facebook groups, we encourage you to do so. And, leave us some comments or share some pictures or posts with us in those. But thanks so much for watching and checking in our RV repair shop. Again, this is California RV Specialist. On YouTube, we go by Your RV Specialist. And so, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.